What can we do that can surprise a guest? Because everyone's seen everything, right? But maybe not the way it's being presented here. This is a story about Joplin. It's not a story, I mean, yes, these are the two families, the Zelliken family, the Schifferdecker family. They were here. But the fact of the matter is, this is a story about Joplin.
The first meetings we had with David Humphreys, who has funded all this, and this is his vision, he really wanted to tell the history of Joplin. He wanted to celebrate philanthropy. He wanted to celebrate entrepreneurship. And he wanted to look to a more youthful audience.
We were invited in and we were given kind of a layout of what they thought this story should look like in terms of the media production, right? Including some stories being told up in the attic, some stories being told down in the dining room.
It takes you through and introduces you to people who lived in this place, who worked in this place, and who acted for the community.
These houses come alive with some pretty interesting media, and they certainly come alive with the way they've been restored. And the restoration is really the star of the show. If you've never seen a restoration before, this is the thing to come and see.
One of the more interesting aspects of this project has been hide the 21st century in this 19th century home. So there's a lot of technology, there's a lot of computers behind the scenes.
The attic experience, it takes a space that you would never think could tell a story. It tells the story in the most amazing way. Most amazing way. And you know, you hear that old expression, I'd love to be a fly on the wall. I'm telling you, right there in this space, you're a fly on the wall. I literally a fly on the wall in people's lives. It's pretty cool.
I think this piece is innovative. I think it's rich. I think it's visually stunning.
They set high expectations. David and the team set incredible high expectations. It's all been met.
Pick up this house, plop it down in New York City, and do what we're doing. People would come and see it. They'd enjoy it. I have no doubt.